this is the letter V. Yes. And V is a consonant. Yes, you've got it. V is one of our consonants. And V spells V. Ooh, I feel my lips buzzing when I make that sound. Can you say V? And you feel almost like a motor buzzing in your lips. We'll talk more about that sound in a moment. To sign the letter V in sign language, it looks a lot like the V. You can sign it with either hand, and it looks like the letter V. Let's talk more about the letter V. V spells V, like in the beginning of the word violin. Violin. Can you pretend to be playing a violin? I always wanted to know how to play the violin or the fiddle. I just think they're so beautiful. I also love the cello. Have you heard those instruments before? They are so beautiful, and they sort of make a vibrating sound, much like the sound we hear in V. 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 We often hear the letter V in the beginning of words, such as in the word vat, v-a-t, vat. Can you do that with me? V-a-t, vat. Very good. Or in the beginning of the word vent, vent, v-a-n-t, vent. Let's do it again. V-a-n-t, vent. So did you know that the sound that the letter V makes also has a fancy name, the way we make that sound? It's called a labiodental voiced consonant. Wow, that sounds so technical. Labiodental voiced consonant. How cool is that? So to make that sound, that buzzing V sound, you gently place your lower lip against your upper teeth. V. Then turn on your voice so you'll feel your throat buzzing, and let the sound flow smoothly like a little buzz sound. All right, can you try it? Bottom lip, top teeth, steady voice. It's sort of like a fun science experiment with your mouth because you really feel the buzzing that's creating the sound. Get your skywriting hands ready so that we can skywrite the uppercase letter V. We're going to start together up at that top line and do a slanted line down to the bottom. And then stopping at the bottom, we're going to slant back up and hit the top line again. That is the uppercase V. To make the lowercase v, we're going to do the same thing as we did for the uppercase V, except smaller. So you're going to start, I'm going to do it just with one finger this time. We're going to start at the middle line, do a slanted line down to the bottom, stopping at the bottom, slant back up to the middle. So you sort of have the big version and the small version. Now we know that's not the case with all of our letters, but that is the case with the letter V. And what does V spell? V.